Hello everyone, my name is Xiaolong. So today I am going to describe the first part of the question one of the lab 3 of the COA. Let's take a look at the code. We move the 8H into the AX. So we can find that there is no change because this is the default value. And then we add the 8H into the AX. We found there are three results have changed, and that r equals 0, which means the result is not 0, and AC equals 1, which means that there is the carry from the lower nipple to the higher, and the PE equals the 0, which means the number 1s is an odd number. Okay, we subtract 10H into the AX. We found that the ZR equals 1, which means the result is 0. And the PE equals 1, which means that the number 1s is even number. Okay, we add 112 into the AX. We found the ZR equals 0, P equals 0. Now we light the AX as negative. We found that the PL equals 1, which means the result is a negative number. And the CY equals 1, which means the value is out of the range. Hello everyone, my name is Xiaolong. So let's take a look at the code. Well, here we define array, which data type is word. There are four elements. The first is 100. The second is 200. Third is 300. Four is 400. And okay. So we move the int array of side its address into the EDI. So the EDI we can find the value is 00404000. Okay, so we move the int array length of into the ECX, so we can ECX equals the 4. Okay, we move the 0 into AX. We found AX equals the 0. Okay, uh, we added the EDI into the AX. And then we added the int array. We found array. We found we add the EDIX into the AX. We found the AX equal to 300. Okay. Now we put the int array type into the EDI. We will find that the EDI equals the EDI plus 2. Then we run the loop. We run the loop. We found the AX equals the 0A00, right? So finally the total equals the AX. So the AX is the 0A00. Thank you. 给自己。 Hello, let's take a look uh, the code again. So we define three variable, the donkey byte type, data type. There are four values: 54H, 55H, 4AH, and the foreigner. The data type is a word. There are five values, the 55H, the 444H, 4A4BH, 44AH, and the last variable, the shrink. Uh, the value is 50. And I'm mainly responsible for the this. Okay, so there is some little bit some mistakes, so I cannot run this code. uh, i can uh, I can display with this. So when uh, we move the foreigner plus 4 into the AX, the X equals 0x0444. And then we move the shrink into the the EX value equals the 0x00564000D. And then we move the fauna plus 8 into the AH. AH equals the 0x 4 0. And the last step, we move the 0 into the EX. The EX equals the 45. And then we move the fauna plus 2 into the AX. The AX equals the 0x0045. And we finally move the EX into the shrink. The shrink equals the 0. Thank you.
Okay, hello daughter. My name is Wang Ruiqi from Group 6B. And my matric number is A21EC4062. And now I will describe the LAB3 and I'm member 2. So for question 1, my part is the last instructions. Okay, the first, okay, this is the first question. Okay, and then copy the code in the software. Okay, now we first will debug. Okay, it can be run. And then we choose the point F is 11. Okay, now we can see the register and the watch here. Okay, my part is the last lines, not for line. Okay, at first, do AX. Okay, and then my part will be H6H. Okay, and you can see the BH, the result have been changed. And then 8BH, 195H. Okay, you can see the BH have been changed. This is the result. And then move AL2. Okay, the AL have been changed. You can see here. And the last one, sub AL3. Okay. Okay, this is AL value, and this result we can see the OA, PL, PE, and so on. This is the result. Okay, so second one is the question 4, my party A to D. Okay, I have copied, I have read in here. Okay, but when we debug with my partner, it it failed to run. I don't know why. Maybe this is the environment is not true, but I'm sure every line is right. So my partner and me write a document in here. My part is A to D, right? So we do it in here. Yeah. Well, oh sorry. When I move AL, this is the result. AL is 45, and when I move AL, Dunkin plus 2. the AL is result is 174J, and the result move AX is 45, and material is 698. Okay, this is about the question 4. And last one is question 11. Okay, I write the code of this code write by myself. I write in here, and the result I put the result here. Okay, 11, question 11. And when I run this code, this is the result: 2516 in decimal, and AOO is in hexadecimal. Yes, this is the result about question 11. Okay, that's all. Thank you.